Anyway, because Alexin is using a map, while me, I was uploading my YouTube video. For me, I just wanna urge to Teacher May, Tiburcio, just block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Oh, just block Paulo Cruzada on Facebook. Don't talk about him. Don't talk about um, um, in Messenger, or when Paulo Cruzada is threatening to hostage you, or he will threaten to harass you. Just ignore him. Don't mind him. For me, whenever I do in my Facebook, I block Paulo Cruzada. It's simple. When I block Paulo Cruzada, I block him in Facebook. That mean, like I said before, na-block ko na si Paulo Cruzada sa Facebook, so I will never talk about Paulo Cruzada. But meanwhile, I say to Teacher May, just block Paulo Cruzada. Don't talk about him. Don't talk about his attitude. Don't talk about his behavior. And don't talk about him. Like me, I never want to talk about Paulo Cruzada. Like my parents did. The time I never talk about Paulo Cruzada. When Jardino says to me, "Oh, I will never talk about Paulo Cruzada." Oh. But for meanwhile, I know for you, Teacher May, it's only your focus anyway. You spend bonding with your nephew Rafael, even Isabella, your niece, and mostly just do not talk about Paulo Cruzada. Just ignore him. Alright? Ignore him. Just ignore him. The time, just ignore. Oh, what does David Gill says? Ignore him. Oh, just ignore. For me, I don't want to talk about Paulo Cruzada. Because me, as I'm good person, Tomas Gregory Ferrer is also my friend there. He said to me, he doesn't know Paulo Cruzada, or even Jardino, even Carlo Orencia, and my other kabarkada friends. They didn't know who are they. So do not entertain Paulo Cruzada. Ronald Rebena had chat Rafa Soco in Messenger. Ronald told Rafa at the time, kilala mo ba si Paulo Cruzada? When Ronald says, and Rafa says, hindi ko yan kilala. I do not know who's Paulo Cruzada. Me only, I know Paulo Cruzada. He was my schoolmate of at the time I was there in CDIFI. So for now, just do not talk about Paulo Cruzada. Don't talk about him. For me, at the time, do not talk to Paulo Cruzada. J. Rick Silva and Joseph Maspinas had said to me, naaaksaya kayo ng oras para magpatulan mo si Paulo Cruzada. It's really wasting time to argue with Paulo Cruzada. Just remember, just ignore Paulo Cruzada. I say to you, Teacher May. I'm not making criticism. I'm saying to you, just block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Block him. I asked Kathleen, Buddy, and even Jens Manaid, and even my former schoolmate, Wawel Romero, and Jens Manaid, and even my other classmates in CDIFI, just block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Don't entertain him. Don't interact him. Just to know he will harass anybody. Nicky Miranda had already blocked Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Even Kathleen and Apple. Just block Paulo Cruzada. Don't talk about him. Don't entertain that person. Paulo Cruzada is abnormal. I am saying he's really insulting, he's really threatening to hostage Teacher May. He's worse than John Dan Ramirez. For right now, just don't talk to Paulo Cruzada. That's all. Like me, I never want to talk to Paulo Cruzada. Like me and Sir William Ducut, we do not entertain Paulo Cruzada. Oh, just ignore him. That time, for me, I am saying to everyone, I'm just like Kiko Barsaga anyway. Um, you know, for everyone, I say to Teacher May, just block Paulo Cruzada. I know we are pro Duterte. We are Duterte supporters. You and me, Teacher May. For me, just block Paulo Cruzada. That he's a Marcos loyalist. Just ignore him. Don't entertain him. Don't create a lot of issues. Let's us fix our mental health from this asshole Paulo Cruzada. Do not talk to him. Do not entertain him. Do not interact him like whatsoever. For you, Teacher May, don't talk to Paulo Cruzada. The only let us focus anyway. For you, Teacher May, you should bonding with Rafael and Isabella. Your nephew and your niece. Me, I have to bonding with my close friends and outside like RM, and even Buba. I bonding with them. I talk to them also. I bonding with my cousin Ate Isa. Even Kuya Mel and Ate Hana. I never want to entertain about the issue of Paulo Cruzada. For me, I don't want to talk about the issue. For me, if I want to fix this mental health, let's us fix our mental health. Don't entertain Paulo Cruzada. Nobody to be friends with Paulo Cruzada.